Hi guys, my name is Henry from GI. As you can see, we are done with this 20 cameras. It's 32 channel NVR with 20 cameras. Now all cameras have inbuilt microphone and then speakers. So what it means that remotely you can monitor the sites and you can speak and anybody on site can hear you. And once the person also speak, you can also hear. And then we have 3 screens. One screen is in the administration block, and then the other screen is in the pastor's office, and then we have one screen in the i2 for monitoring. These cameras have an 18 terabyte hard drive for longer storage, and we have also a UPS backup for power backup. So if you have any deal for your shrine, your temple, your church, make sure you give us a call. If you're in Accra, Kumasi, and Tamale, you can give us a call, and then we'll give you a very good deal. Like we always say, we have deal for every budget and every part-time life. So call us now.